Hey guys, me Blaine, I'm back again, and today I got something for my daughter's 2023 Tesla Model 3. I finally got her a rear spoiler, and this is something she's been wanting, and well, finally got her one, so here we go. Okay, so here it is. We got her a carbon fiber spoiler. It's from Teslaunch. The description and everything for it will be down below in the description. You'll be able to take a link and go straight to it. You'll be able to use my discount code, and yeah, you'll be able to go and check this thing out right there on their website. They have other ones. They have other ones for Model Ys and S's and X's and everything. They got accessories for the Cybertruck and everything. So anyways, this one here is the real carbon fiber matte black, and that's what I got right here. So the only thing I did have to do to it is when I received it and I took it out of the packaging and everything, is I had to put the red 3M tape in here. So I just put it right along here like this, all the way through, all the way to the other end. I get out there, I'm going to do my measurements, I'm going to take the tape off, and I'm just going to put this sucker right on there, and we'll see. I am going to use the 3M promoter on the paint itself on the rear trunk, and well, let's go out there and install this, see how it works. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is just make sure that this area is really clean. Next thing I'm going to do is just make sure spoiler fits. It's going to fit pretty good right there. Check my measurements. I'm going to get me some Gorilla tape here ready. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the promoter. I'm just going to put it right along this edge right here, and that will help the 3M tape to adhere. Adheres to it, whatever. Next thing I'm going to do is just get my tape started. That one started. Just like this. Line both of these out. Make sure it's pressed on there. Looks even. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my tape. Make sure that's on there all the way. Go like this. Keep the pressure. And go on underneath with it. Just like that. And the next one. Take off my masking tape. Don't need it anymore. And if any of the residue from the tape gets stuck on the paint here, I'm just going to use a piece of tape, keep tapping a bunch of times, and it'll slowly come off. And I'm going to leave this tape on here for probably about 3 days minimum, and that's really going to help secure the 3M tape and make sure that it's really going to stick good. But I tell you what though, it stuck really good when I first started putting it on. All right, there you go. And you can see sealed up pretty good. It's a good even all the way around there. Comes across. It's not loose, it's not going anywhere. Even on the bottom, kind of hard to see. There you go. Just like that. Got the tape on it. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. In a few days, I will take that tape back off, clean it up, and it'll be done. And now she's got a rear spoiler on there. All right, guys, there you go. You have it. This was a 2023 Tesla Model Y, the rear spoiler by Teslaunch. The link for it is below if you're looking for one. They have lots and lots of different products out there. Take a look at them. This is the rear rail carbon fiber spoiler. Okay, if I can get that out there. It's relatively easy to install. I just make sure you do the measuring both sides, pull off the red tape, make sure you use the make sure that you do use some type of adhesion promoter for the 3M stuff. If it doesn't come with it, I recommend at least buying some. You can order on Amazon. You might be able to find it at your local automobile stores, whatever. Try to get some of this and make sure you use it whenever you're applying any kind of 3M tape or anything. Get this. Highly recommend, because that 3M tape sticks to it well, very well. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so at this time. And like always, guys, have fun, be safe out there, and most of all, keep driving. Check you later. Bye.